Today, we are going to share with you a few tips and tricks that can help you improve the way you carry luggage while riding 2-up. If you ride with a Pillion, chances are that one of the biggest challenges to tackle is to figure out a good way to carry your luggage. In a sense, you want twice the carrying capacity but only have half the space. The most important factor to consider when adding luggage to your motorcycle is the weight distribution, and this becomes even more critical when riding with a Pillion. Most motorcycles are designed with the expectation that significant weight will be added at only 2 points, the rider seat and the Pillion seat. In both these situations, the suspension will compress to accommodate the weight without a significant change to handling and control of the motorcycle. Now, if a sizable amount of weight is added at the back of the motorcycle behind the Pillion, then this will compress the rear suspension while lifting the front in an uneven manner. This is bound to change the way the bike feels and handles, and depending on the type of motorcycle and amount of weight added, it might be uncomfortable and could easily be unsafe. So, saddlebags or pannier boxes should be your go-to and most preferred luggage option while riding with a Pillion. These help in keeping the weight lower on the bike and in the same areas as the Pillion. The maximum amount of luggage weight should be in this area. That's why with the Condor saddlebags, we have two variants. The Condor Solo, which is a 21 litre on each side meant for solo riders, and the Condor 2-up Senior with 32 litres on each side, so that there is more space for the rider and the Pillion's gear. While mounting and using saddlebags, you need to be mindful of the weight distribution, ensuring that they are secured correctly. We have a detailed video on how to do this correctly, which is linked in the description below. The space behind the Pillion is the next obvious available option for luggage, but our recommendation will be always to keep this as light as possible. You can use this space to secure tents, sleeping gear, or other modular bags such as the Pod 12 or the 22, or a dry bag with your rain and warm layers, for example. The key factor here is weight rather than size. The lesser the weight added there, the better, and the safer the motorcycle will be to ride. If you are riding a larger motorcycle, there will be a lot more leeway to add weight behind the Pillion. But on mid-capacity motorcycles such as this, that threshold can be reached very easily. Depending on the type of motorcycle that you are riding, you can also add some luggage towards the front. The easiest way to do this is with a tank bag, provided that you have the space and it does not restrict mobility and control. In any scenario, we would recommend using a smaller tank bag than a larger one. If all you really need is space for what's in your pockets, you might be better ditching the tank bag and using something like the handlebar trail pack instead. For motorcycles like this, the Himalayan 411 or the Himalayan 450 or the KTM Adventure series, you can also use purpose-made storage like the ViaTerra trail packs to move some of the weight forward. This considerably improves the way the weight is spread and balanced across the motorcycle. While you can theoretically use trail packs and a tank bag on your bike, we would say that's just traveling too heavy. Try sticking to either or. Any motorcycle is safer and more fun to ride when it's lighter, and you need to draw the line somewhere. Ideally, closer to the less is more side of things. Overall, a setup like this would give you close to 90 litres of storage capacity, which is quite a lot to work with. Yes, you will not be able to carry every outfit or pair of shoes that you might like to have with you, but that's not what you get onto a motorcycle for anyway. Prioritizing and planning what you need to carry within safe limits is critical on any two-wheeler adventure. We hope you found this video useful. Please share it with the others that ride 2-up and could benefit from this perspective. Thank you for watching.